Today we are taking our first confident steps out of lockdown.
So the decisions facing the executive today have not been straightforward.
While schools are our top priority,
I know how parents and teachers need as much certainty as possible.
Cast iron guarantee that exams will not be cancelled.
Absolutely.
GCSEs and A-levels in England are being cancelled.
Masks will be compulsory for secondary pupils and staff.
Going to be a 6-week lockdown.
To wait just a little longer.
the decision to extend the lockdown,
Food parcels that have been offered, they are appalling.
Because we know our students, we can look at what evidence we need to give them the best possible grade, to give them the best possible chance.
Whilst it's not as good as being in the classroom, we still have ways of getting feedback back from those students.
Secondary schools and colleges across England must move to remote provision from tomorrow. I want to thank all the teachers throughout our country who've done an outstanding job.
Really creating immersive lessons, whether that be in the classroom or outside the classroom.
Even stuff like marking a book becomes impossible when you're miles away from the student.
To see teachers and schools going above and beyond for their pupils in response to this pandemic has been in many instances quite remarkable.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to hopefully my final ever recorded assembly that I will have to do. Next time I hope we'll be in the hall together and in September, so I can speak to you and see you face to face, which would be lovely. But in just a few minutes I just want to reflect on this year, and you know, as the previous video said, thank you. You've had an incredibly challenging year, all of you, and each and every one of you has in their own way found a path, found a journey through what has been some incredibly challenging moments. But the reassuring thing is we have got there. We've maintained the purpose of coming to school, about learning. You have taken on every one of those challenges that we have thrown at you, that COVID has thrown at you, and you've taken those on and you've succeeded in your own individual way. And there's so much to be proud of, and there's so much to look back on and reflect on over this year, both as a school, as a year group and as an individual, to be rightly proud of. And I know I speak on behalf of all the staff and your parents and the trustees of this school to say, well done. Well done indeed. Because I really hope that in a year's time, in 5 years' time, or even 10 years' time, you'll look back, and because you will be known as the students that were there in school when COVID came and when the schools had to close. And you'll be able to look back at that time and think to yourself, yeah, I made it. I did become stronger. I became more resilient. I became more independent. I understood the real values of friendship and family, more so than probably at any other time in my life, where I didn't take things for granted and where I accepted that there were going to be challenges at every corner. But I embraced those challenges, and you know what? I just rolled up my sleeves and I got on with it, and I tried my very best. Because that's all anyone has ever asked of you. And you know what, as we approach September and the new term and a new year with lots of hopefully exciting opportunities and so many things to look forward to, I hope you can take some of those experiences from the last year, 18 months, and use them to your advantage. That willingness to never let yourself down, let other people down, to keep going in the face of adversity. Because that's what you're going to need. That's what we all need in this world. And I really hope And we believe as a staff that, you have done yourself a credit. And this word proud, we are incredibly proud of all of you, and very well done. So finally, summer is almost here. We've got a day and a bit to go. So please maintain those really high standards that we ask of you, so that we can all finish tomorrow with a real smile on our face and with a pat on each other's backs, going, really well done. Because we all deserve this summer. We all need this holiday, don't we? Because we've all had to work incredibly hard. And we need to just take a step back and enjoy it and relax. But also just think about our parents and our family and try and be helpful and supportive to them, because they've had just as hard a year as you, probably harder so. And it will be nice if you can just consider them and think of them over these next 6 weeks and help them out when you can. Be good, be helpful, and be kind. And above all, be safe. September will come around quick enough, and I know myself and the staff can't wait to welcome you back and start again, which is going to be a really big year for a lot of you. From year 7s moving up now into year 8s and the options, year 9 or year 8 moving up into year 9, and again starting those GCSE courses. Year 10 definitely starting, and obviously year 11 you've got those final 2 terms to really push through, and there's going to be a lot of work and a lot of pressure on all of you, but together we can do it, because that's what we do at school, and we do it so well. So goodbye from me. Have a fantastic break. Stay safe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.